we are a very purpose-led organization. So we
Okay.
are not in business to make money. Now, it doesn't mean we don't love money. We absolutely do, right? But money is not important for us. What we do with money is important to us. And it may sound subtle, but it's very fundamental in nature. So we don't exist to make money. We exist to make an impact to whoever, and I'll come to that, with money that we will earn, right? So the purpose of why we exist in business is to improve the lives of customers, communities, stakeholders that we serve in areas that we operate, so that we contribute to national growth. So our purpose to exist, if I put it in a tagline, is to make an impact and improve the lives. That's as simple as it gets. And in our case, because we are in technology business, it is through technology, right? So coming back to the question, we strongly believe that Pakistan or countries like Pakistan need many, many thousands of more entrepreneurs who are successful. Our economy is ridiculously narrow based, dependent on few business houses who have done a fantastic job, but they cannot manage the economy, they cannot run the economy, and conversely, economy cannot be held hostage to few hundred or maybe few thousand invest. This economy of 220 million people needs hundreds of thousands of new entrepreneurs, in many cases, innovative entrepreneurs who are solving problems using technology. Why technology? Because we strongly believe that there will be only two types of enterprises and businesses as we walk into the future. One are purely based on technology, two, which are technology driven, right? So if you don't use technology in your businesses, you will not have business. And the second business are pure technology businesses like ours, right? So hence, because we are in technology business, so any business which uses technology to solve a future problem becomes important to us. And since this is new, so these are typically new startups. So first is we want to help create new entrepreneurial ecosystem in the country. Second, we want to create a tech innovative startup ecosystem and entrepreneurial ecosystem. Third is using our platform, which is of course quite big, very well known, very established, provide them an umbrella in such a manner that businesses, or when people do business with startups, they don't think this business may go away tomorrow. What will sustain them? How will they go forward? So hence, what we typically do is to look at the reasons why startups fail. And many startups actually think if they get money, they'll be successful. Interestingly enough, when you look at the research, recent research says only 16% of the startups fail because lack of access to finance. So if you even get finance, you will only solve 16% of your problem. Your 84% of the problem is not solved by finance. So if you are not focusing on 84%, which is what typically happens, 60% solution will not cut it for you, right? You will get money, you will destroy with that money, and with that you will destroy as well. So our entire acquisition model is to look at the reasons why startups fail, and we try and mitigate all of them so that the startup can pursue their passion and aggression to develop the business for which they have started, right? So just to summarize, we of course only acquire startups, right? Technology startup and future relevant startup, because this we believe is living our purpose of improving and making an impact to the lives of customers, communities, and stakeholders that we work with. Because if we can help 10 startups, which is which is the goal that we have publicly stated, if we can help acquire and scale 10 innovative and new businesses in the country, and if other businesses houses see our success model, which is very unique in Pakistan, see our business success model, and then they start to acquire startups and help them scale. And in the bargain, if we get few hundred or few thousand startups which have really scaled, then I think we have made an impact. So it's all about living our purpose. And we are, as I said, we are a very strong purpose-led organization.